Okay, guys, time to do something with this hood. This is I don't know, I think it's off of an 80 model. Anyway, y'all don't have a fit. It's not in great shape. It is rusted. Maybe it's savable, I don't know, but it's going on this car. We're fixing to pop a few holes in it. Took the stock scoop off, and it has this huge ass hole in it. Excuse my language. Look like a Bohemian cut it. I can say that because I'm Bohemian. I don't know why they cut it that shape. I'm sure they had a reason. Probably the air cleaner had one of them dual snorkel things on it. It ain't tall enough. I've got a fire blanket threw over the motor right now. We're actually going to install that Boss 429 repop that a good buddy of mine, Anthony Harris, gave me. Got to pop a few more holes onto this hood. We're also going to have to fill in a couple gaps on the side. This hole is a little wider than that scoop. So got an old hood out there. Kind of thought about even grafting the top piece, you know, just kind of cut the old hood out, pop rivet it on the top, substandard style, cutting a hole in the middle just for the air cleaner to come through. Of course, then bolting the 429 scoop on it. I just think those old 429 scoops are cool. The old snorkel scoops, they're cool too. I like those a lot. I just didn't find one. Anthony had this thing. Said, hey man, you're welcome to it. So it is perfect for the car. It's even kind of gray, so it kind of matches the build, even though the hood's black. But anyway, y'all stand by with us. We're going to drill a few holes and see what we look like. All right, guys. Substandard style. We've got one there, one here. I marked them off. These are going to be perfectly in the right spots, I'm sure. Blow a few holes in it. I think it'll set down on there. We got this lip we're probably gonna have to do something with to get it to set flush, but we'll worry about that here in a little bit. We got a couple here on the back we need to pop. Little understructure. We'll take care of that right quick. Yeah, we'll have to see what it looks like. That one's in the hole there. That one probably needs to be bigger. There we go. That looks beautiful. Y'all stand by. See what we got. Oh, this thing that Anthony gave me is brand new. Still has the plastic things on there. How about that? I need to take some of that stuff off. I know this video is hot garbage. We're gonna set her down on there, see what she looks like. Oh, she's gonna be beautiful. Gonna be beautiful. See, I got a little issue there with the lip, and like I said, The hole is a little big on both sides, but we'll fix that. That's just more cooling for that high-powered, probably, I don't know. If that motor will make 310 to the wheel, we'll see. Might make more. That motor, the parts that's in it, it's a different short block, but the parts that's in it, camshaft, cylinder heads, with a Cobra intake EFI on, you know, stock AL9, A9L, whatever they are. That motor in a little Foxbody coupe with a 5-speed and 410s, full interior, went $11.99 and a quarter. I ended up with it 15 years later. I got the heads, the camshaft. It's a different short block, but anyway, cam and heads, same. Intake is a strip dominator with a, it's gonna have a Demon, 750 Demon double pumper on it. So according to some, it'll go faster. So we'll see. That motor is sitting in front of a Earl Johnson T5. The rear that's in it right now is a 97 stock Cobra with 327s, but when we go to the track, it'll have 456s and a spool, 31 spline. Be on some drag radials. I've got a couple options on those. We'll have those on a later video, but right now we're working on this hood, and she's gonna be beautiful. Stand by. Okay, guys, we're out here, back part of the pasture. This is a parts car. It says it's a 82, but I'm not sure. I have to look at the door tag. That is actually the hood off of the 81 that we're working on in the shop. That car has a different nose on it now. It doesn't have the, like the little 85, 86 front lip on the hood. It's got the straight hood on it. You can see this hood has a big whiskey dent in it. What I think I'm gonna do is just go ahead and graft the middle out of this hood. This car is a rusty pile. None of the parts off of this car, except for the hood, I'm using on that car in the shop. I think what we're gonna do, you see my my nipping tool there, little DeWalt with an Amazon battery. Since that hood is crushed in the front, I think we're gonna cut the center of it out, pop rivet it over that big hole that's on the hood we're using, cut a hole in the middle of this one, and then mount the Cobra hood scoop on top of it. Totally garbage, but substandard, and that's kind of how we're rolling. Y'all guys stand by for the next clip. All right, let's see what we're working with here. We'll probably time lapse this thing so you won't have to hear me talking or cussing or whatever. Yeah, beautiful. Like we'll just go to town on it. All right, folks. Let's see what we got. I know we're gonna have to knock that down, but oh my. We got beauty. Well, let's see here. It's a little tall. Originally, I was just gonna graft that sucker on there like so. But now that we got a really cool hood scoop, we're gonna have to do a little work here. I think what we're gonna do, find the center which I've already found the center. Measure it, find the center here, mark it, put us a mark, make us a flat cut. Same way with the down the side. I've got a buddy that's got a shear, but he's an hour away. Jay Baker, famous chassis builder here in Central Texas. Builds some mean race cars. If you need a roll cage, suspension work, metal fab, you might even be able to talk him into building you a set of headers. Jay Baker's your contact. I'll stick his link down in the description. I finally figured that out. The last video I didn't have nothing in the description, but I've got that figured out. So I'll have some stuff down in the bio this time. Stand by. We're going to do a little measuring here. Y'all don't need to see that. Everybody knows how to use measuring tape. Okay, guys. After a lot of measuring, mostly substandard, got it kind of marked off where I'm going to cut out. I'm going to cut out the center hole, and I'm going to cut off outside the tape line on the outside. Once I get that done, I've got a little work on the hood. I got to take a little ridge off. This thing's going to set on the top, pop rivet on the top, and then we will mount the scoop to the top of this. Y'all stand by for the next clip. Okay, fellas. Substandard, of course. Forgot to turn the camera on when I was doing those, found a few cuts. But anyway, I've got it sitting down on here. Is it perfect? No. But look at the car. Come on. It does do what I needed it to do. A couple pop rivets. I know Rodney would probably use self-tappers. We're probably going to use pop rivets for this part. Once we get this down, then we will mount a scoop on top of this. We'll poke the holes. We're already going to lined up from the bottom. We get this pop riveted down. We'll lift the hood, drill the holes from the other side, set the hood scoop on it, and y'all will get to see that here in a little while. Stay tuned for the next clip. All right, guys. It's attached. It's not perfect, but it's in there. It ain't coming out. I don't think it's going to fly off. That little metal slit there, I didn't even cut that off because the hood scoop's going to cover it. So, y'all stand by for the hood scoop to be installed. Okay, guys. We're back in the shop. This little video went over a period of about 2 or 3 days. Had some family stuff going. It's Mother's Day morning. My wife went and got breakfast. She's relaxing right now. I'm going to come out and do a little video. I'm going to put a little video together of the hood modification we made on this fine jewel of a car we got right here. It is not perfect, but it is substandard. So let me get into the little video. We'll show you what we're doing with it and how far we got, what it looks like. It is functional. It will work. Y'all stand by for the next clip. Okay, guys, here we are. We're got this thing mounted. It's complete. It's on there. I mean, we're not going to go that fast where that thing comes off. Pop riveted. Of course, it's molded. It's got its own anchors inside. You see the bottom side of it. You see the, looks like the 357 hollow point rivets I got. I actually bought those from the enclosed trailer to mount some stuff, but they work good on this hood. I went ahead and nipped that little bottom piece off when I had my nipping tool out. It's mounted. It's on there. Big shout out to Anthony Harris for donating that to the cause.
I promise, Anthony, I won't park this thing close to your fastback at the track. I don't blame you. Got her covered up. I'm going to get her rolled outside, get that tarp pulled off. I've got to put a distributor in the hole. I've got to do some brake work. But as far as the hood goes, fellas, there she is. The mighty 429 repop hood scoop on an 81 hatch. I tell you what, I like it. I even like the blue and the pop rivets and all. That kind of goes with the rest of the garbage that's on this thing. Hey, I just want to thank you guys. Give me a like and subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel a little bit. We got a Facebook website, Facebook site called Substandard Foxbodies. It's an elite group of fabricators, I promise you. Have a good day. Enjoy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. I'm going to do some grilling for my wife here later today. We've already talked to one grandson and daughter-in-law. They're going out to lunch. They live north of Dallas. Got one in Phoenix, Arizona. We're going to talk to them later this afternoon. Appreciate you guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Have a good day and be looking for the next video.